This coming Monday, August 24th, I'm hosting an online discussion about what happens when the UX team leads the organization's vision, and I'd like you to join. You see, too many organizations run without leadership direction. Your organization may be moving at full speed, but it's unclear where you're trying to go. This can create a demoralizing, difficult UX practice that feels more like an endless factory than a mission for making the world a better place. It's hard to set a vision when your executives focus only on the business or the technology. Those areas change fast, making competitive advantages hard to identify. When your executives can't see the return on their investment, they become paralyzed by the fear of making things worse. The untold secret is that you are in a better strategic position to lead your organization's vision than they are. Your UX team has the superpower of leveraging your expertise in your customers' experiences. You can use an experience strategy to provide clear direction while inspiring your executives and peers to deliver value of great user experiences. Here's what we'll discuss on Monday. We'll explore how an experience strategy brings clear long term value to your organization that is both achievable and inspiring. We'll think through how you win over the hearts and minds of your executives and product leaders, making them excited for the experience vision that you'll orchestrate. And we'll uncover how you collaboratively build your vision so that everyone feels invested in a clear direction for where you're taking your products and services. Join me on Monday, August 24th at noon Eastern Time, which is 9 a.m. on the West Coast and 6 p.m. in Central Europe. And we'll explore how UX teams lead their organization's vision strategy to give everyone a clear direction on what to build. You can RSVP at the link in the comments. See you there.